Perched high above the Swiss town of Schaffhausen, overlooking the Rhine River, stands a circular fortress that has guarded its people for centuries, a symbol of civic pride, resilience, and Swiss ingenuity. This is the Munot Fortress. Built between 1564 and 1589, Munot was designed not by a royal decree, but by the citizens of Schaffhausen themselves. This was no king's castle. It was a people's fortress, a community effort built to protect the town during an age of cannon warfare. Its unique round shape allowed defenders to cover every angle, eliminating blind spots and making it almost impossible to breach. Inside, the fortress includes a spiral ramp, wide enough for horse-drawn carts to carry supplies to the top, and underground chambers for ammunition and provisions. The central tower offers panoramic views of Schaffhausen, the vineyards below, and the glistening Rhine Falls in the distance. But Munot was never actually tested in battle. By the time it was completed, advances in warfare had already made its design obsolete. Instead, it became a proud symbol of local unity and independence. In the 19th century, it was restored as a historic landmark, and today it's the crown of Schaffhausen, hosting festivals, concerts, and even a traditional Munot Ball, where dancers waltz under the stars each summer. The fortress's bell still rings every evening at 9 p.m., a tradition kept alive for over 400 years, originally to signal the town gate's closure. The Munot Fortress is more than a relic. It's a timeless reminder of Swiss craftsmanship, community spirit, and the peaceful endurance of a people who built their own strength in stone.